Buonanotte. Buonanotte. Hi, my dear Tantrika students. How are you? I am fine, okay? Today we are discussing about another moving all three methods, okay? See the page number 331, okay? In that the gas intervals and the frequencies are given, okay? Now what you have to find? You have to find the mean value in all the three methods. In what? In direct method, in the moving method, in the subdivision method, okay? Further we have to come with this table, then only we can get, okay? Now these are the frequencies, these are the capacitors, okay? Now count the number of frequencies. 10 to 25 to 25 to 43, 40 to 55, 55 to 76, 70 to 85, 60, 85 to 106. Okay? Now what to count the total frequency? 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 6, 24, 24 plus 6, 30. Okay? So sigma Fy equal to sigma Fy equal to 30. Okay? Now exercise. How I have to count upper raw boundary by upper boundary by 2. Okay? So 10 by 20, 35. 10 plus 25, how much? 35. 35 by 2, 17.5. Okay? 17.5. Okay, next. Now, 25 with 40, 65. Okay, 65 by 2, 65 by 2. How much? 65 by 2. Okay, so 65 by 2 means what? 32. 32.5. Okay, why 32.5 by 65 by 2? 232 is 54. 1 after back. So take 0.5. 2 10. Okay? Now 32.5. Next, so the difference between two raw boundaries is 15 ohm. That's what we have got the difference between two XL has 15 because H equal to what? H equal to what? 15. Okay, height of the cast. Okay, height of the cast interval is 15. So H equal to 15. H equal to 15. Okay? Now, H equal to 15. Okay? Now, so 17.5, 32.5. 32 plus 15, 47. 47.5. Okay, now 47 plus 15, 57, 62, 62.5, 62.5, okay, 62.5, okay, now 62 plus 15, 52 plus 15, 77, 77.5. 77.5. Okay, now 77 plus 15 again. 77 plus 15, 87, 92. 92.5. 92.5. Okay, now DA equal to y, x minus 3. So I am assuming When you mean XAYUS, XAYUS 47.5, okay? So the value of A is 47.5, okay? A equal to 47.5, okay? Now, dA equal to what? Already we discussed. dA equal to XA minus dA. So XA, what is 17.5 minus 47.5? 5 minus 0, okay? Now 47 minus 17, how much? Minus 30. Minus 30. Okay? Minus 30. Okay, next 47, now 32.5 minus 47.5, how much? Minus 15. Minus 15. Okay, now 47.5 minus 47.5, 0. Okay? The corresponding value of assumed value is 0. Always, okay? Remind it. No need to calculate, okay? Now, 52.5 minus 47.5 again 15. Now, 15. Now, what is 77.5 minus 47.5? How much? 30. Okay, now again 92.5 minus 47. How much? 45. Okay, 92 minus 47. 47 plus 5, 52. 52 plus 40, 92. Okay, 0.5, 5 minus 5, 0. So now the corresponding dA is 45. Okay. Now H equal to 50 now. U equal to what? dA. U equal to what? dA by H. So minus 30 by 50 minus 2. Okay. Minus 15 by 50. How much? Minus 1. Okay. 0 by 15. 0. 15 by 1, 30 by 52, 45 by 15, 3. Okay, I think so it is very easy because we did a number of problems on this method. Okay, so it is very easy. One thing you have to know about the multiplication table, then it is very easy. Okay, so day by day we have to remind the multiplication table from 2 to 20. Okay, now F(x), okay, now multiply 2 by 10. 2 by 10 point. Okay, 2014, 14 plus 15. Okay, 1. So 2 1 are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So 35.0. Okay, now again, 3 into 32.5. 3 by 15. Okay, now point. Now 3 to the 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, now 3 these are 9. Okay, now 7 into 47.5. How much? 7 5 are 45. 7 5 are 45. That's no. 7 5 are 35. Sorry. 7 5 are 35. Okay. 7 4 are 28. 7 5 are 35. Okay. 7 5 are 35. 0.3. Now 7 7 are 49. 49 plus 3, 52. 52. Okay, 52. Okay, now 7 4 are 28. 28 plus 5, 32. 28 plus 5, 32. Okay, so that is nothing but 322.5. Okay, 322.5. Okay, again, do. Okay, 7 5 is 35. Okay. Okay, 7 7 is 49. 49 plus 3, 52. Okay, 5. Okay, now 7 4 is 28. 28 plus 5, 33. 28 plus 5, 33. Okay, now same. 6 5 is 30. 6 5 is 30. 3. Okay, now key point. Okay, why we are multiplying with the single digit? So there is no change in the point position. Okay, now 6 5 is 30. Okay, now 6 2 is 12. 12 is 15. 12 is 15. Okay, now again 6 6 is 36. Okay, 36 is 7, 37. 36 is 1, 37. Okay, 375. Okay, now 375. For exercise is very large. Okay, that's why we have to use substitution method so that we can get the very small value. చిన్న values వస్తాయి కాబట్టి క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, now next 371. Next 6 into 77.5. 6 1 is 30. Okay, 6 1 is 30. Okay, now 3 left right. Okay, now point. Now 6 7 is 42. 42 plus 3, 45. 42 plus 3, 45. Okay, now 42 plus 3, 45. Okay, now 6 7 is 42. 42 plus 4, 46. Okay, easy. Okay, 42 plus 6, 42 plus 4, 46. Okay, now again next 6 into 6 is 30. 3. Okay, now key point. Now 6 2 is 12. 12 is 3. 12 is 3, how much? 15. So 15. Okay, now take 1. Okay, now 6 9 is 54. 54 plus 1, 55. Okay, now count the exercise. Okay, now that is nothing but the value of sigma Fix. Sigma Fx. Okay. 25. 25.0. Okay, 97.5. Okay, now next 332.5. You count the precise how to arrange the numbers. Okay, 332.5 next 375.0 375.0 375.0 next 465.0 465.0 465.0 next 555.0 okay 555.0 okay 555.0 okay now add the total number 5 plus 5 10 okay 0.1k now on the third 6 plus 7 13 13 plus 2 15 15 plus 2 20 20 plus 10 30 20 plus 3 25 20 plus 25 plus 5 30 okay okay now 3 plus 3 6 9 15 18 18 plus 7 25 okay 25 plus 6 31 31 plus 5 36 okay 36 now 3 plus 3 6 6 plus 3 9 9 plus 4 9 plus 4 13 13 plus 5 13 plus 5 18 okay so 1860.0 1860.0 means what 1860 okay now means what 1.0 equal what 1 2.0 equal what 2.0 similarly 18.0 equal to 1860 so the value of sigma fix equal to sigma fix equal to x equal to 1850 1850 okay now again next we have to calculate the FIDA values okay and we have to add them okay now FIDA 2 into minus 30 minus 50 okay now 3 into minus 15 minus 45 okay 45 okay now 7 into 0 0 7 0 that's 0 okay now 6 15 are how much 90 6 15 are 90 okay now 6 30 are 180 okay 6 30 are 180 okay now 6 45 are 45 is 6 5 are 30 okay 3 is back okay now 6 5 are 30 okay now 6 4 are 24 okay 6 4 are 24 24 with 24 27. Okay, 27. Okay, now add the values of sigma Fi. Okay, so 60 minus 45 minus 105 minus 105. Okay, plus 90 plus 180 270. 270 plus 540. Okay, 540. Okay, okay. 27 to 27, how much? 54. Okay, 27 to 54. Okay, so 540 minus 105. Do. So 540 minus 105. Okay, do. Then 5 minus 10 minus 5, 5, 3, 5 minus 1, 4. Okay, so sigma Fida equal to 435. Sigma Fida equal to 435. Okay, comma, next. Therefore, you are very you have to calculate. This is very simple because the values are very small. In the variation poverty, easy to simplify it. Okay, now sigma Fi you know 2 to the 4. 8 minus 4. Okay, now 3 1 the 3 minus 1. Okay, minus 6 0 the 0. Okay, now 6 1 the 6. 6 table. Why all values are 6? 6, 6, 6. Okay, so 6 1 6, 6 2 the 12. Next, 6 3 the 18. Okay. Now add 8. 18 with 1, 40. 30. 30 with 6, 36. 36 minus 7. I don't know. 8 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 18, 18 to 36. Okay, now 36 minus how much? 27. 5, 15. Okay, 16 minus 7, 9. 2, 29. 29 the value. Okay, so sigma Fi equal to Fi equal to 29. Okay, now we have obtained all the values of all the methods. So now we have to apply the formula. Okay, formula thingy formula means formula. Number of formulas means formula. Okay, now now we have to apply all the values in the formula. Okay. Now direct method, first of all. Okay, direct method. In direct method, what you can get x bar equal to sigma fx sigma fx by sigma fi. Okay, sigma fi. Okay. Now sigma fi equal to what? X y equal to 1860 by 18, sorry, 1860 by 30. Okay, 30. Okay, sigma fi equal to what? 30. So 0, 10. This is class 18. Okay. Now 3 to the 6. Okay. 3 on the 3. So x y equal to 62. So the mean value is 62 in direct method. Okay. In the మిగతా 2 methods కూడా సేమ్ వస్తుంది. Okay. Now next one. Assume a mean method. Okay. Assume a mean method was x y equal to sigma a plus sigma fi dA by sigma fi dA by sigma fi. Okay. Now x bar equal to a, what is a? 47.5. 47.5 plus sigma fi into 435 by 435 by 30. Okay. Now what do you have to do? We have to cut first 30. Okay. Now 5 is 40. 5 is 40. 3 up to 5 7 35. Okay. So x bar equal to 47.5 plus 87 by 6. Okay. Now 87 by 6 into what you can get divided. So 87 divided by 6. Okay. 6 on the 6. Okay. 2 27. Okay. Now 6 4 the 24. Okay. Again 3. Okay. 0. 30. Okay. So the value is 14.5. So x y equal to 47.5 plus 14.5. Okay, plus 14.5. Now x bar equal to 5 plus 10. 10. Okay. Now 7 plus 4 7. 7 plus 1 12. Okay. Again 1. Okay. Now 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 1 6. Okay. 62.0. So x bar equal to bar equal to x bar equal to 62. 62. Okay, in algebra that mean y is 62. Okay, now we have to go to subdivision. Okay, now next y is subdivision. Okay, now that is nothing but x bar equal to x bar equal to a plus sigma fi uy by sigma fi uy by sigma fi into sigma fi into h into h. So x bar equal to what is a 47.5 plus 29 by 35 29 by 30 sigma fi को 30 okay into h by what 15 h by what h by equal to 15 so up side okay 15 now 15 1 15 15 to the 30 okay x y equal to 47.5 plus 29 by 2 29 by 2 okay that is nothing but x y equal to 47.5 plus 47.5 plus okay 29 by 2 how much 14.5 okay 14.5 to 14 28 and the key table is I went to 1 2 2 4 చదువుకుంటూ పోతే మీకు టైం సరిపోదు ఎగ్జామ్ ఓకే సో దట్స్ వై యూ హావ్ టు లెర్న్ టేబుల్స్ ఓకే x y equal to 62.0 directly here we calculate now 47.5 14. Similarly 47.5 plus 14.5 equal to 62.0 okay now x y equal to 62 okay so in all three methods we have got the same value but the subdivision method is very easy to calculate so first ఎక్కువగా ఇదే యూజ్ చేయండి subdivision method ఎక్కువగా యూజ్ చేయండి ఓకే మెథడ్ ఎక్కకపోతే ఓకే మెథడ్ ఎక్కితే ఆ మెథడ్ అని చేయాలి you cannot do okay now okay I hope everybody understood okay next problem we can discuss okay now 10th class sketch we are going to discuss about the example 1 problem okay now we are going to discuss about the example 1 problem okay what is that the marks obtained in mathematics by 32 inch okay आप 10th class हुए क्या होने okay आप 10th class हुए certain score are given in the table the below okay now find the mean of the marks obtained by 2 inch okay now this is group data into what the difference between Group data and ungroup data. In group data, that Excel values are given. Okay? In group data, cash intervals are not available. Only the exact value of the data is available. Okay? In ungroup data, exact value of the data is not available to us. So, since the exact value of data not available, the availability of data is given in between the cache intervals. Means what? From this boundary to that boundary. Means what? From lower boundary to upper boundary. That is known as ungrouped data. Now this is the exact value. Means what? For mark 10, how many members got 10 marks? Okay, how many members got 20 marks? Like this. Let's see. For the specific marks, number of students. Okay? In that way, this is nothing but the group data. So for this group data, we have to find the mean. But they will given you are 10 marks one student, 20 marks one student, 36 marks 3 students, 40 marks 4 students, 50 marks 3 students, 56 marks 2 students, 50 marks 4 students, 70 marks 4 students, 72 marks 1 student, 80 marks 1 student, 88 marks 2 students, 92 marks 3 students, and 95 marks 1 student. So these are the Excel values, these are the FI values. Okay? Now first of all, let us count the number of frequency. Okay? Into one number of students. Okay? That is nothing but sigma FI. Sigma FI equal to count 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 4 16, 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 1 21, 21 plus 1 22, 22 plus 2 24, 24 plus 3 27, 27 plus 1 that's 28. 1, 2, 2 plus 3 5, 9, 12, 12, 14, 15, 20, 21, 22, 22, 24, 27, 28. Wait. Now count the number of students. Okay? Now 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 4 18, 18 plus 4 22, 22 plus 1 23, 23 plus 1 24, 24 plus 2 26, 26 plus 3 29, 29 plus 1 30. Okay? So sigma FI equal to 30. Okay? Here Excel value is there, FI value is there. So directly multiply them. Okay? 10 mana 10. Okay? 21 na 20. Okay? 21 na 20. Now Now 36 is the 36 is 18. Okay? 3 is 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Okay? Now what is whole the 160? 4 whole the 16. Okay? 4 whole the 16. Okay? 40 whole the 60. Now 50 is the 150. 50 is the 150. Okay? Now 50 is the 150. 56 to the 56 to the 112. 50 to the 112. 1 and 2. Okay? Now 50 whole the 240. 50 whole the 240. Okay, 50 whole the 240. Now 70 whole the 280. 70 whole the 280. Okay? Now 72 on the 72. 72. Okay? Now 72 on the 72. 80 on the 80. 80 on the 80. Okay? Now 80 on the 80. 88 to the 176. 176. Okay? Now 92 to the 3 to the 6. Okay? 3 to the 6. 3 9 the 27. 3 9 the 27. Okay? Now 1 into 95, 95. Okay? 95. Okay? Now we got the exercise. Now add them. Okay? Now 10, 20, 108, 108, 150, next 150, 150, next 112, 112, okay, next 240, 240, next 280, 280, next 72, 72 after 80, 72 after 80, 72 after 80, and 80 after 176, 176. Okay? Now 176 after 276, 276, next 95. Okay? Now add them. Okay? Now add to 8. Okay? Now 8. 8 to 10. Okay? 10 to how much? 12. 12 plus 6. 18. 18 plus 6. 24. 24 plus 5. 24 plus 5. 29. Okay? 29. Now 2. Okay? Now 2. Okay? No. 2 plus 1. 3. 3 plus 2. 5. 5 plus 6. 7. 7 plus 5. 16. 16 plus 1. 17. 17 plus 4. 21. 21 plus 8. 29. 29 plus 7, 36. 36 plus 8, 44. 44 plus 7, 51. 51 plus 7, 51 plus 7, 58. Okay? 58 plus 9, 50. 58 plus 9, 57. 57. Okay? 6. Okay? Now count. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Okay? 70, 79. Okay? So the value of sigma Fi is equal to sigma Fi xi equal to 70, 79. Okay? 70, 79. 70, 79. Okay? Now to calculate the mean value. Okay? By using direct method. Okay, now calculating the mean by using direct method. That is nothing but xy equal to sigma Fi xi by sigma Fi xi by sigma Fi. Okay? Sigma Fi. Okay? That is nothing but xy equal to 1779 1779 by 30. Okay, now cancel with 3 by 15. Okay, 3 by 15. Okay, now 27. 27. 3 9 27. Okay, 3 9 27. So 3 3 9. Okay, 3 10 30. Okay, so xy equal to 593 by 593 by 10. Okay, now xy equal to 59.3. 59.3 directly. Okay, by using a decimal value which you have entered in xi 1.0. Okay, according to that concept, 593 by 10 equal to directly we can write it as a 59.3 without doing division. Okay, this is the mean value of the marks obtained by the students in 10th class. Okay, so by today our main topic is completed. Tomorrow onwards we can proceed to the mode concept. Okay, thank you everybody.